Welcome to AZ Solutions. I'm going to take you through how to search for fields in a pivot table. So if you have a very large set of data, so there's lots of headings going across. This is in the raw data. This is what will appear in your pivot table in the field area. So if we create a pivot table by clicking in the data, going to Insert and selecting Pivot Table, our pivot table field list will now display. You can spend time scrolling and scrolling to find the data that you're after, or if you have version 2016, you can type in the search bar what field you are after. So let's say I'm after car make. I'll type it in here, and it reduces the size of the available fields. You can then select the one that you're after. Now that I can't see any of the others, but I do know the name of the field that I want, and it's monthly repayment, I can simply start typing and select the field. Thank you for watching AZ Solutions Pivot Table Field Search.